Today's video is going to be based on real life results. This is one of my clients and this was her skin before she reached out to me. As you can clearly see from this picture, she had visible sun damage across her cheek and her forehead. This made her skin look dull and uneven. Now if you take a look at her after picture, her skin looks so much calmer, brighter and more even. This transformation happened after following the personalized treatment I gave her for her sunburn. It's been 4 weeks now and you can see the difference. The difference is clear. As someone that has helped quite a lot of people when it comes to hyperpigmentation, I can categorically tell you that my hyperpigmentation treatment routine works all the time. It has never ever failed me, so I know what I'm saying. In today's video, we are going to be talking about sunburn. I realize that a lot of people are dealing with sunburn, so we are going to be discussing what sunburn is, the causes and the triggers of sunburn, how you can effectively treat your sunburn, and how you can manage your results so that you don't have reoccurring sunburn. Now this last one is super important because this is where a lot of people miss it. They treat their sunburn and in the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or even 1 month, the sunburn comes back. That is because they are not managing it properly. You have to be on a proper maintenance routine to manage your results, be it sunburn or any form of hyperpigmentation or acne, whatever result that you must have gotten from skincare. If you don't manage it, if you don't maintain that result, you're going to go back to square one. So if this resonates with you, please keep on watching. Don't skip any part of this video so that you don't miss any vital information. And if you eventually find this video helpful, if you realize that, okay, this girl knows her onions, she knows what she's talking about, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, engage in this video, like, share. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section, and without further ado, let us just quickly jump right into this video. Now, what is sunburn? Just like the name implies, sunburn, meaning that the sun has burnt your skin. It's the same way you have fire burn, you have hot water burn. That is the same way the sun can burn your skin. Now, let me just quickly clear this misconception. A lot of people feel like sunburn doesn't affect black people because of our melanin. Now, that is not entirely true, although the melanin protects our skin to an extent, but it doesn't make our skin completely immune to sunburn. Now, there are some things that increases the risk of you getting sunburn. Number one, using lightening products. Now, this is why I always recommend that you use your lightening product, that product you're using to treat your hyperpigmentation, use it only at night. Because if you use it during the day and you don't follow up with a good sunscreen, you are going to risk getting sunburn. Lightening ingredients like kojic acid, alpha-arbutin, hydroquinone, they can make your skin very sensitive to the sun. So your chances of getting sunburn as someone that uses lightening products is higher than someone that doesn't use lightening product. So whether you are using your lightening products for hyperpigmentation treatment or you're using it to bleach your skin, whichever one, it is still the same thing. It will increase your chances of getting sunburn. The second one is using strong actives like chemical exfoliants, retinoids. All these things can increase your chances of getting sunburn. Staying under the sun for a long time without using your sunscreen, not reapplying your sunscreen, using a sunscreen that will not give you maximum protection, all this can increase your chances of getting sunburn. A dry/dehydrated skin can make your skin more prone to getting sunburn. This is why I don't joke with hydrating toners, I don't joke with hydrating and rich moisturizers. Because once your skin is hydrated, once your skin is moisturized, it serves as a barrier, it strengthens your barrier, and it reduces your chances of getting sunburn. Your skin color also can increase the chances of you getting sunburn. Now, the rate at which a white person or a very light-skinned person will get sunburn is higher, like way higher than the rate at which a black person, someone with melanin, will get sunburn. Now, the first thing you are going to do if you want to get rid of your sunburn is to look for the triggers. What is triggering your sunburn? Because you're not the only one under the sun. But why is it that anytime you go under the sun, you start to get blisters, you start to get dark patches? Why? One major thing that I've realized that increases people's chances of getting sunburn is using lightening products. If you're using lightening products for a long time, it can weaken your skin barrier and make your skin more sensitive to the sun. So the first step you are going to take is to stop using your lightening product, trash them. Some people might be using lightening products for hyperpigmentation, and then the hyperpigmentation fades, but they are still using that hyperpigmentation treatment cream. Why? It is obvious that you're using it now to bleach your skin. You are not using it to treat your hyperpigmentation because you have no hyperpigmentation anymore. Some of you are using your retinoids that you should use only at night. You are using it during the day. And on top of all of these things, you are not using a good sunscreen. You are not even using sunscreen at all. Now, these are the things you need to put in check. Because even if you try treating your sunburn and you are not putting all these things in check, you are not going to get results. And your sunburn is likely going to come back. Now, there are two main stages of sunburn. We have the first stage, which is when you have fresh sunburn. This one is after, immediate exposure to the sun. You kind of notice some level of redness, sensitivity, hotness, soreness, or even blisters on your skin. Now, if your sunburn is still fresh and sore, now is not the time that you're going to be slapping glycolic acid into your skin or retinoids into your skin. You are going to worsen the case. Focus on your skin barrier. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to use cold compress. Now, this cold compress will help to cool the inflammation. It will help to calm and soothe your skin. And for your skincare routine, leave out all the actives, leave out all the vitamin C. Don't use any of them. Focus on hydrating ingredients, soothing ingredients, and calming ingredients like centella, aloe vera, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, ceramide. All these are things you should use in your skincare routine. So your routine should be very, very, very simple. Use a very gentle and a mild cleanser. Get yourself a rich, hydrating / soothing toner. At this point, you can use 3 toners, you can use 4 toners. If you have 5, use them. Ensure that you're using only hydrating or soothing toners. If you have hydrating or soothing serums too, use them. Like, now is the time you need to hydrate your skin and to soothe your skin. And then you follow up with a rich and barrier soothing moisturizer. Get moisturizers that contain hyaluronic acid, ceramide, centella. All these are what you need. And then don't forget your sunscreen. Do this morning and night, and in the next 2 to 3 weeks, you will notice that inflammation will begin to calm down. The redness will begin to disappear. Your inflamed skin will begin to heal. Now, this is where you enter the second stage, which is the healing stage. Now, most of the times, once that fresh sunburn heals, because it has been inflamed, it is going to leave what we call post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Now, this is the kind of hyperpigmentation that occurs after trauma on your skin. Now, this was the stage where I met my clients. Now, I'm going to leave pictures of what this looks like. This is what a lot of people refer to as sunburn, but this is not the main sunburn. This is the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation of the sunburn that your skin experiences. Now, because our skin is rich in melanin, you may not really notice the redness or the soreness, although some people notice that, but most people will not even notice any soreness or injury on their skin. They may experience tightness or experience symptoms of a weakened or a compromised skin barrier. Now, if you have this kind of hyperpigmentation or darkening as a result of sunburn, this is what you're going to do. You are going to be balancing your treatment products with barrier strengthening products. Now, this is where many people make mistake. They only focus on their treatment products without balancing it with barrier or hydrating products. You need to incorporate tyrosinase inhibitors in your routine and balance them with those hydrating products in order to fade or suppress the melanin and even out your complexion. Now, you'll be needing ingredients like niacinamide, azelaic acid, kojic acid, tranexamic acid, or even hydroquinone, depending on the severity of the hyperpigmentation. You need a combination, a concoction of different tyrosinase inhibitors. Vitamin C alone will not do much for you. Niacinamide alone will not do much for you. Alpha-arbutin alone will not do much for you. You need a combination of 3, 4, or more of these tyrosinase inhibitors. And then you need to balance that with hydrating ingredients. For your morning routine, as always, it is constant. Focus on protecting your skin and also hydrating your skin. Use a gentle, mild cleanser. Get yourself a good hydrating toner. Get yourself an antioxidant serum. An antioxidant serum is super important in your morning skincare routine, especially if you're dealing with hyperpigmentation. Antioxidant serums like vitamin C and niacinamide. Get good quality serums. That's your cheap 2-5 vitamin C serum will not do anything for you. It will not brighten your skin. It will not protect your skin. An antioxidant serum will help to support your sunscreen in order to give you maximum protection from the sun, environmental stressors, pollution, and everything that can affect your skin during the day. So invest in a good quality vitamin C serum or in a good quality niacinamide serum. Niacinamide serum 5 to 10% is enough. A good hydrating barrier-friendly moisturizer, and then your sunscreen. This is what your morning skincare routine should look like. Then at night, you're going to be using two main things. You are going to be exfoliating your skin using your preferred exfoliant for your skin type. Now, the reason why I'm not mentioning the exact product is because this is a general video. And what can work for Mr. A or Mrs. A may not work for Mrs. B. That is why I am focusing on the ingredients that you need and not the exact products. Now, if I mention use glycolic acid exfoliants, not all skin type can handle glycolic acid. That being said, for your exfoliants, you can either use AHAs, BHAs, or PHAs depending on your skin type. If your skin is sensitive, you can go for PHAs. They are milder and very gentle. If you want to go for AHAs, don't go for glycolic acid, go for lactic acid or mandelic acid. These are milder and more gentle forms of AHAs. But if your skin is normal, if your skin is oily and your skin isn't sensitive, you can either go for BHAs or glycolic acid. In fact, because we are targeting hyperpigmentation, lean more towards glycolic acid. So you're going to be using any of your preferred exfoliants 2 times in a week, only at night. So on days you're going to be using your exfoliants, don't forget to balance them with hydrating products. That is the trick. Now for your treatment, get a good treatment product, either a treatment cream or a treatment serum that combines a lot of tyrosinase inhibitors. I'm talking azelaic acid, niacinamide, kojic acid, tranexamic acid. I have a few options. You could use tropicals, you could use faded, you could use touch bright and clear, you could also use triluma. All these depends on the severity of that hyperpigmentation, that sunburn. If it is mild, you have no business using triluma. You can opt for Kojic or even touch bright and clear. Now, don't use these products more than 3 to 4 times in a week. And also don't forget to balance these products with your hydrating and your soothing ingredients. So if you're going to use any of these products, you don't need to use them with any other serum that contains strong actives. Just use a gentle cleanser, your hydrating toner. If you have hydrating serum, you can use. If you have hydrating serums, feel free to use them. And then follow up with any of these treatment creams. Seal in everything with your moisturizer and you're good to go. Like, this always works. Like, it always works. Now, if you're still confused, if you don't know how to still go about this, then come to me for a paid consultation session, and I'm going to hold your hands like this and walk you through your skincare journey for the next 3 months to ensure that you see improvements in your skin. Now, once you see results, don't just relax and say, oh, my skin is now even, my skin is now brighter, I no longer have sunburn, and then you forget everything and you go back to your old ways. Your sunburn is going to come back. Now, this is the main reason why a lot of people complain of reoccurring sunburn. They are not maintaining their results. Now, if you'll be coming to me for a consultation, I'm not just going to leave you after you see your results. I will keep you on a maintenance routine that you're going to follow to ensure that your skin remains smooth, your skin remains even, your sunburn doesn't come back. Now, for your maintenance stage, you see those treatment creams that I mentioned, they are for treatments. They are for treatment, meaning that once you get your result, you stop using them. Now, at this point, you're going to keep your routine simple. Prioritize hydrating / barrier-friendly products. Prioritize exfoliation and prioritize using your sunscreen. Also, using a good antioxidant serum. And this is just how to maintain your results. You don't have to do too much. You don't have to keep using your treatment cream for a long time. As long as you're making sure your skin remains hydrated, your skin barrier remains intact, you are using an antioxidant serum, a good antioxidant serum in the morning, you are always wearing your sunscreen, you are limiting sun exposure, you are doing everything you can to protect your skin from sun, and then you are exfoliating 2 times weekly at night, you are good to go. For some of my clients that are advanced in age and complaining of wrinkles, I usually incorporate a gentle retinol serum for anti-aging benefits in their routine. So guys, this is how to fade your sunburn or pretty much any form of hyperpigmentation that you have. If you've been watching my previous video and you watch this video from start to finish, you'll be able to put one or two together and create a routine for yourself. But if you're still finding that challenging or difficult, then come to me for a paid consultation session. You are not going to regret it. Skincare shouldn't be guesswork. If you're always guessing, you'll keep buying products that you don't need, products that will not work for you, and you can even end up damaging your skin. If there was something I said that you did not fully understand in this video, please ask them in the comment section. I love to engage in the comments. And please, 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 please support me by subscribing if you haven't. Like this video, share to your family and friends. And until I see you on my next one, guys, have a beautiful week. Bye.